Hey everybody, Audiophile Barista here. As you may know, I am slowly building a complete LINN system in my smaller music room. And this week I ran into a set of LINN loudspeaker cables, the K20. Now so far my system contains of two LINN power amps, the LK140 and the LK85. Now those numbers represent the power, so the LINN LK140 delivers 140 watts in 4 ohm. The LK85 delivers 85 watts in 4 ohm. Both these amps were introduced in 2000. I have a LINN Kolektor preamp which was introduced in 1998, and I have a set of black LINN interconnects between the preamp and the power amp. I have my LINN Ninka loudspeakers. These were introduced in 2000, and I have a set of LINN Katan loudspeakers also from 2000. So now I have a set of LINN K20 loudspeaker cables also introduced in 2000. Now on top of that I have two LINN CDs. Actually they are SACDs, but today I am playing the CD layer. So let's put this system together and play some music. First I had to change the banana plugs from the cable for a set of BFA connectors. This is the only connector that the preamp will accept.
As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto, and his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, it's another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand, or he'll grow to be an angry young man someday. As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto, and his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, it's another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand, or he'll grow to be an angry young man someday.
And so we come to the end of this video. Now I'm very happy with my LINN loudspeaker cables. The set is almost complete. Now I showed you the LINN Ninka and the Katan, but those are part of the surround sound system in this room. So those are not the speakers that I want to use for this stereo setup. Actually I am on the lookout for a set of K-lith loudspeakers. They are from the same period as the preamp and the power amp, and if my information is correct, they are even made to work together. So that is going to be somewhere in the future. Until then, I can only say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.